Hello and welcome dear students. We are into the fourth week of September which begins on 20th of September and expands to the 24th of September. We continue with the duck and the kangaroo. It's a poem in our textbook. And then we have the listening comprehension, which is based on the teacher's choice. The vocabulary parade, this is an independent exercise where the students record new words. They look up for the meanings, synonyms and antonyms, and record that in the notebook. It is a vocabulary builder exercise, and it is an independent exercise which all the students are expected to do individually. With regard to the spellings, we have certain spellings in our textbook exercise, which is based on IE, that's a long vowel sound, and EI, that is also a long vowel sound. The difference between the phonic difference is brought out in this exercise. Then we have another exercise with the silent letters, with the letters which are not pronounced. Though we have a literature in our textbook that is reach for the top. This is prescribed in term 2. It's a term 2 portion. We will begin this portion only when we have finished all the portion or met all the requirements of the portion for term 1 examination. So kindly keep this topic on hold. Our priority will be to complete the the portion for term 1 examination. We may have completed from one textbook, Beehive, but we need to look at the second textbook, that is Moments. Only then we will begin this new topic. With this new topic, reach for the top. With the regard to writing, we will be revisiting all the writing formats which we have done. We have done paragraph writing, letter writing, formal writing and informal letter writing. Then we have article writing, descriptive paragraph, writing about a person, place, event. We have diary entry. Diary entry will be done throughout the week with reference to our research on pandemic, and journal entry will also continue throughout the week. These are all independent exercises which students should not wait for the teacher to mention this in the class. That's the reason of sharing the learning target, so the students can work on these writing formats by revisiting these formats from their textbook. Article writing will be in focus during this week as the long writing. And then we have reading comprehension. With the reference to the reading comprehension, we are going to revisit the topics from Moments, and then we'll continue. With regard to subject verb conquered, we had already initiated one video from where rules 1 to 4 were already covered. Rules 5 to 10 were discussed in class, but with reference to rules 11 onwards, it is remaining. So that video is already up. Students are expected to revisit those videos and make sure those sentences are constructed and recorded in the notebook. And there is another video as a challenge exercise to evaluate the subject verb agreement and see which sentence is as per the rule, which is not as per the expected rule. These two videos are already there. Students should revisit these two videos and practice the rules already stated over there and record those exercises in the notebook. Then we have determinants. We have already started with determinants in the previous week, and towards the end of that video there were certain exercises, as many as 10 exercises. We will be doing those exercises during the classwork as well as during the homework. At the end of this week, we are supposed to complete all the 10 exercises either during class or as homework. With reference to the reading comprehension, this is included in your examination, term 1 examination. So our focus this week will be to begin with the Happy Prince, to read the story, understand the story and complete the comprehension. Not just complete the comprehension, we need to understand the plot, the characters, the perspective of the characters and our personal perspective, and we need to express that. And the story that is also in plan, this was brought forward, that is Weathering the Storm in Arsama. We need to study these two stories with the same idea, that is to the plot, character sketch, perspective of the character and personal perspective. We have another story which is the last leaf. We have to make sure that we cover the portion for this particular book, that is Moment. So making sure that we have met all the requirements of our examination, term 1 examination. We have our ongoing project, that is reflections on pandemic. This particular week we'll make sure that we have completed all the questions pertaining to the reflections on pandemic part 1 video, so that I can upload part 2 video for the students to complete. And this is very essential because the project is being marked as your for your internal assessments. The internal assessments marks are other than your 80 marks examination. With focus to the subtopics, with literature question answers, whatever we do in our literature, either beehive or moments, we need to work on the question answers. Please do not wait for the teacher to tell you or pronounce to do the question answers in the class or in your notebook. It should be done whenever during the week when the topic has begun. You need to begin writing the question answers in the notebook. Do not wait for an announcement. Literature, with regard to the poem, whatever poem we are doing, we need to revisit the literary or the poetic devices and make sure that we do our poetic appreciation of the poem. With regard to writing the essay, we need to collect the quotes so that we are well prepared for our pre-writing. With reference to our writing, we will most probably be visiting the topics which relate to our literature, which will be discussed in the class. Reading comprehension, with regard to reading comprehension, we have the entire collection of stories from moments. We will be doing those instead of any outside reading comprehension. But for individual practice, I have already uploaded quite a few informational texts for the students' reference. The students may visit those informational texts for practice and most probably expect something of that nature for term 1 examinations as well. You will be using your reading strategies of identifying unknown words, that is contextual clues, which will be taught during this week. Listening comprehension will be of teacher's choice, and with reference to the social studies, Arabic and Islamic history, it is expected that students establish their own references with the historical references and select words and find translation and find references in Islamic education as well. With reference to your learning NCERT learning targets or the CBSE learning targets, it is expected that students record skills tracker with emergent, progressing, met the curriculum and exceeded their curriculum level. If you are at the early level and emergent level, you should have progressed in that skill by now, because we will be beginning with the 4th week, and at the end of the 4th week the students will be expected to submit all the 4 skills tracker for the month. The teacher will go through it and record your progression of skills, or whether you have progressed during the 4 weeks or not. And the skills which are to be recorded are: identify the main idea and details, appreciate the poem, identify the poetic devices, analyze the character, develop the character, compare and contrast the characters, develop the plot, selecting actions, justify the perspective of the character, justify the perspective of the writer, your and personal perspective. So those my students, those who are new to my class, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification of the next video when I upload. And the students are requested to click on like so that it gets added up in their auto-generated like list. The students are expected to refer this throughout the week, and the students are also expected to refer it near test and examination, so make sure that nothing is missed out for practice and studies. Thank you very much for your precious time.